Hello guys, today I'll be making a little talk on before considering a relationship, what we should get ready, things to develop before we think of going into a relationship. So let me start by explaining the items I would use today. So this is the man, this guy here is the man. Let me change the color. So this is the guy, this is the woman. So they want to come together and to hold this valuable cup of a beautiful union. So let's see what they would need to be able to hold this cup. So as you can see, he needs to have a well-developed hand, and the hand should have a firm grip to be able to grip this end. Same thing for the lady, she needs to have a well-developed hand, also have a firm grip to hold her own end of this valuable cup of a beautiful union. So let's see what this hand represents. So the fingers on this hand, they symbolize the thumb here symbolizes the financial development of the man or of the lady. The index finger here, that's a green line here, talking about this one here, talks about the academic / professional development. The middle finger talks about the spiritual development, and the ring finger, if it's on the left hand, talks about emotional development, and the smallest finger is the financial development. So before you consider going into a relationship, ask yourself if you have well developed fingers to have a firm grip of that valuable cup of a beautiful union. I'll make another video to help us understand the litmus test to know whether we are developed physically, academically, or professionally, spiritually, emotionally, or financially. For today, I'm just trying to say these aspects of life are quite necessary to have a well-developed grip for a relationship. So here is a man. He has well developed fingers, and then he's able to grab the side of the cup very well. And the lady on her own end also have well developed fingers and is able to grab the cup on her own end. And with this, there will be balance. And should there be struggle or storms they will face, they will be able to withstand the storms because they are both grabbing to their own handles properly. So what happens if there's deformity of development? Like if you see this man here or this lady here, there's a missing or not well developed academic / professional life, and this is not so good because it will make it impossible for him to have a firm grip or for her to have a firm grip. And somehow this finger here, the development here sort of helps the development here too, hypothetically. So, and this guy here, on this other hand, its middle finger is not well developed, so he has a missing or not well developed spiritual life. So with this too, it won't give him a very good grip of the handle of the cup. So let's see, he or she becomes stubborn and decides to go into a union with someone that's not well developed, not mature physically, academically, or professionally, or spiritually, emotionally, or financially. If there's no development on this end, you see that when they hold the cup together, there will be points of shattering, points of cracks that they'll begin to experience in this cup that may lead to the breaking of this cup and more or less divorce or end of the relationship if it's not yet marriage. So in summary, we need to develop our fingers properly: physical, professional, spiritual, emotional, and financial, to have a firm grip of the valuable cup of a beautiful union. So if fingers are not well developed, spend time to develop them before you consider a relationship. Thank you.